There's a wonderful world of vanilla out there, and it's nice to know when to use what type of vanilla. So I've made a chiffon cake here, and I would usually use my vanilla essence in the batter. The reason I do this is because vanilla essence, it still is made with certified organic vanilla, but because it's liquidy, it's best put into a batter and then baked in the oven. However, if you're wanting to make a buttercream, which is what I'm going to decorate my cake with, I like to use a vanilla bean paste. The vanilla bean paste has more of an aroma to it, more of a concentrated flavour, so you're really going to taste it when I add it to the icing sugar and the butter. So let's make a vanilla buttercream into a food processor, or you can just use a stand mix too. We'll add our icing sugar. Lots of icing sugar, and sift this really well because you want to take all the lumps out. And some softened butter. Lid goes on, and this needs to whip until it's really soft, light and fluffy. It's just starting to come together now, so I need to add a small amount of liquid. Don't get too excited here and add too much of the milk because it'll be too wet. So I'm going to start with about a teaspoon, it's looking good, and our vanilla bean paste. So 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste represents 1 vanilla bean. So we'll just squeeze that directly into our food processor. Perfect. Great. And now we can put the speed up a little higher, give it a good blend. Oh, that looks fantastic. All we need to do is pipe this on our cake. And I find it easier just to place this into a piping bag, and then we're going to do just little dollops on the chiffon cake. That looks pretty good. I'm going to make it look even better with some confetti. Just going to sprinkle that over the top. Look at that. What a beautiful looking chiffon cake. Vanilla chiffon and vanilla buttercream. It's a winner.